Do you want to sell your home for top dollar? I'm Jessica Vansicle.
And I'm Daryl Vansicle, and we're listing specialists with RE/MAX Twin City and HomesMadeSimple.ca. Now, we have the outside of the house is all prepped, the maintenance is done, it's ready to go. People have come to the house, they've come inside. We want to make sure that your house is spotless, it's cleaned top to bottom.
A good thorough cleaning. Wash the walls, wash the baseboards, wash your floors, vacuum the carpets.
Now, if you have carpets, you may want to think about hiring a professional. It is amazing what a good professional cleaning can do to your house. It really does take a carpet that maybe it's a few years old, maybe the kid's been up and down the stairs a couple times and it's a little bit matted. It can make it feel and look and smell like new again.
Maybe you don't have time to clean. Hiring a cleaner in for a couple hours to do the thorough clean will do wonders. It will make your house smell fresh. Speaking of smelling fresh, air fresheners. I know some people sometimes want to use air fresheners. However, sometimes depending on the smell, it could cause people to wonder if there's a smell that perhaps you're covering up. So if you do want to use an air freshener, make sure that the scent is light in fragrance so that people don't think that you're trying to cover something up.
Now, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook at Jessica and Daryl Vansicle or on Instagram at The Vansicles so you can keep up to date with all of our videos as we release them.